on the video camera. Okay, now tell me why he's not in his bed. Is it because he's just so darn cute?